Margaritaville At Sea Paradise, the little cruise line that could, is pausing operations at the end of the week. I'll give you all of the updates about what's going on with Margaritaville moving forward. Plus, Carnival Magic has a new homeport on the east coast of the US. Let's roll the intro. Welcome to the Midships channel. I'm your Captain Corey, and thank you so much for stopping by the channel today. It's so awesome to have you here. We're officially halfway through May, which means cruise season is about to be upon us. Hurricane season starts in 2 weeks. Let's just get the cruise news rolling with some breaking news coming out from Margaritaville at Sea Cruise Line, the dingy little cruise line that could. Just yesterday, Margaritaville announced they'll be ceasing operations completely at the end of this week to receive millions upon millions of dollars of repairs and upgrades to their ship, which is the former Costa Classica. Now, this ship was built and entered service way back in 1991. She's in her 30s. She's one of the oldest cruise ships that you can get into here in the US today. And I gotta say, the ship is definitely showing its age. If you've watched any recent content coming out from Margaritaville Cruise Line, you can see that the ship has quickly degraded in onboard quality as well as appearance. This ship was initially the former Grand Classica, which operated for Bahamas Paradise Cruise Line, the original little cruise line that could, and it went in for a rushed facelift back in early 2022 to launch the Margaritaville at Sea Cruise Line. And the refurbished ship held up all right for about 6 months or so, but as recent passengers have noted, it's gone downhill rather quickly, and the cruise line is now forced to take it out of service and fix things up on board once again. All told, the ship is slated to be out for 10 days to receive these updates, meaning she should resume operations on June the 2nd. I say should because you all know how dry docks typically work, especially in an old ship like this who's been stretched, expanded, had multiple accidents in her lifetime. Who knows what they're going to find when they take some of those panels off to do some work. And some of the work that they're going to be doing, some of the enhancements this ship will receive, include a total reimagination of the whole bow area up front in the ship. They're going to be adding new comfortable seating as well as a pickleball court, which is something that I guess a lot of people like to do these days. That change alone will bring a lot more usable space to the vessel itself. In addition, the ship is going to be receiving a dueling piano bar, 2 new theater shows, and a build-your-own burger bar themed after Cheeseburger in Paradise, of course. This burger bar will be complimentary, so think like a Guy's Burgers. And perhaps the most welcome change for everybody who sails this ship is that each and every one of the 658 cabins on board are going to finally receive more cosmetic fixes and upgrades throughout. Have you seen those showers, y'all? Blech. Now, with this renovation coming literally 1 year after the ship was already renovated, it's not surprising to think that this small boutique cruise operator has learned a lot from their first year in business, and they've realized they need to make a lot of changes to do business better moving forward. It seems like a lot of guests just weren't finding the value that they had hoped for out of a Margaritaville cruise. Now, to celebrate these new changes, the cruise line is once again offering buy one, get one free cruises. Let me know your thoughts on the Margaritaville Cruise Line in the comments down below. I personally have been on this ship once for Margaritaville, and I'm not sure if I'm going to be going back again or not, but I'll probably give them one more chance here after these renovations. I believe in second chances. And speaking of giving things one more chance, if you've ever spent any time in my Midships Amazon store, well, you might want to give it another chance as well, because just yesterday I spent hours in there updating, changing things around, and bringing in some of my new favorite cruise essentials that you've never seen before. In there, you can find everything I take with me every single time I cruise. It's the perfect way to support this channel while literally just shopping for yourself. There's a link in the description down below for more info. Well, things are heating up in Norfolk, Virginia for the 2023 cruise season, as the Carnival Magic was recently spotted adding to the city's beautiful skyline. And this is going to be a site that people from Norfolk are going to need to get familiar with over the next few months, because the Magic is going to be operating short cruises from Norfolk every few days down to the Bahamas here through October. And this is just the calm before the storm for Norfolk, because Carnival say they're going to be offering year-round cruises from the port beginning in 2025. Man, I love the Magic. It is one of my favorite cruise ships I've been on. It's just the right amount of size, spaces, and venues, and it's just new enough that it doesn't feel like you're on some old Margaritaville cruise. Real quick, I do want to remind you I'm hosting a group cruise in less than a month on the brand new Carnival Celebration. It's a quick 6-night sailing out of Miami, Florida, heading down to Cozumel, Costa Maya, and Mahogany Bay. I would love to have you along to join me and all my friends on that ship. There's a couple spots left. If you want more information, check out the Facebook link in the description below this video. You can find it there. If you made it this far into today's episode, please make sure you get subscribed to the channel with the notification bell on. Smash that thumbs up button if you love cruising as much as I do. As always, thank you so very much for stopping by the channel today. And until next time, we'll see ya on the Midships. I just finished recording a new Alaska cruise guide a few hours ago. I'm going to be editing it. It should be released in a day or two's time. If you have a cruise to Alaska, whether you've been there before or not, I think you're going to find something of value in that video. So make sure you're on the lookout for that. Thanks for sticking around the whole way through today. We'll see you tomorrow. Hopefully you had a wonderful Monday.
La 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 la.